Hello everyone, welcome to this episode of our massage tutorial video. Today, we will explore an ancient and effective massage technique called back walking massage. In this video, we will introduce the basic concepts of back walking massage. We will also discuss its benefits and the precautions you need to take. By the end of this video, we hope you will have a comprehensive understanding of back walking massage and how it can benefit you in your daily life. Welcome to my massage channel. If you enjoy our content, please remember to like and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you won't miss any of our massage tutorial videos. Your support helps us create more valuable content. Back walking massage is a traditional massage method originating from the East. It involves the therapist applying pressure on the back using their feet. The goal is to relax muscles and promote blood circulation. Now let's dive deeper into the benefits of back walking massage and the precautions you need to be aware of. First, let's take a look at the origins and basic principles of back walking massage. Back walking massage originated in ancient China and Japan. This technique is commonly used in traditional Chinese medicine and therapeutic practices. By applying pressure with their feet, the therapist can effectively stimulate the acupuncture points and meridians on the back. This promotes the flow of qi in blood, thereby relieving fatigue and restoring energy. Back walking massage is not just a physical therapy method. It also embodies rich cultural heritage and philosophical thoughts, making it an integral part of traditional Eastern medicine. Now let's explore the specific benefits of back walking massage. First, it can effectively relieve muscle tension in the back and waist. This is especially beneficial for people who spend long hours sitting in the office. Modern lifestyles often involve prolonged sitting and poor posture, leading to muscle tension and pain in the back and waist. Through back walking massage, the pressure from the therapist's feet can penetrate deep into the muscles. This helps to release muscle tension, alleviate pain, and restore muscle flexibility and elasticity. Secondly, back walking massage can promote blood circulation. During the massage, the pressure applied by the feet can stimulate blood flow in the back. This aids in detoxification and improving metabolism. By promoting blood circulation, back walking massage can enhance the immune system's function. It boosts the body's resistance to diseases and prevents various health issues. Good blood circulation can also improve skin health. It makes the skin smoother and more elastic. Thirdly, back walking massage can help improve sleep quality. The fast-paced modern life and high stress levels often lead to poor sleep quality and insomnia. By relaxing the body, back walking massage helps to relieve stress and improve sleep quality. This makes it easier to fall asleep. Studies have shown that massage can stimulate the release of endorphins and other hormones that promote relaxation and happiness. This helps people achieve deeper sleep. Fourthly, back walking massage can enhance body flexibility. Proper back walking massage can help improve the flexibility of the spine and back. This prevents sports injuries. For those who engage in regular physical exercise or manual labor, periodic back walking massage can help maintain body flexibility and coordination. It prevents overuse injuries. Despite the numerous benefits of back walking massage, improper execution can pose some risks. Therefore, it is important to be mindful of the following points when performing back walking massage. Firstly, avoid excessive force. Applying too much pressure during the massage can cause muscle strains or skeletal injuries. Thus, the therapist needs to adjust the pressure based on the feedback from the person receiving the massage. This ensures both safety and effectiveness. Secondly, back walking massage is not suitable for everyone. People with osteoporosis, spinal diseases, pregnant women, and those with cardiovascular conditions are advised against back walking massage. This is to prevent potential harm. If you have any of the above health issues, please consult with a doctor or professional healthcare provider before deciding whether to proceed with back walking massage. Additionally, hygiene and safety are crucial when performing back walking massage. The therapist should ensure that their feet are clean. The massage should be conducted on a professional massage table to ensure both safety and hygiene. The person receiving the massage should also maintain personal hygiene. They should wear comfortable clothing to facilitate the massage and its effectiveness. Today's back walking massage tutorial ends here. We hope you have gained a deeper understanding of this massage technique. If you have any questions or want to learn more about massage techniques, feel free to leave a comment below. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Before we wrap up, let's summarize the key points of back walking massage. It promotes blood circulation, improves sleep quality, and enhances body flexibility. However, it is important to avoid excessive force. Recognize that it is not suitable for certain people. Maintain hygiene and safety while performing the massage. We hope this tutorial video helps you better understand and utilize this massage technique. This can bring more benefits to your health. Thank you again for watching and supporting our channel. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Let's continue to learn more massage techniques together. Stay healthy and improve our quality of life. See you next time.